Hi, I'm Helen and I'm the designer behind the Papercraft Society's box for November, and I'd like to talk to you about the colours that we have chosen for this box. So they are a little bit different. They're not fully traditional, so they are contemporary, and it's absolutely perfect for showing off the snowflakes with the silvers and some lovely bright jewel tones. So as you can see from the papers, there's some lovely bright colours here that really lift the colours off the page of this lovely aqua, and we've mixed in some purples and some pinks. So this is really good if you don't really follow the traditional red and green Christmas. And these papers and the cardstocks all match together, and they work perfectly with these three little inks that you get with the kit, and you also get a silver pen as well, which is absolutely perfect for calligraphy and adding your accents and everything, and it's a really juicy silver pen as well. So I hope you're excited as I am about these beautiful colours for Christmas, and you have until the 21st of October to get your subscription in, and that closes at midnight.